Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay. Wonder if those proportions are the same. Let's okay. Let's start. Okay. Main background to that. Okay. So 50. So let's try conic-gradient. At 50. 50. And also start from 90 degrees. We'll do transparent, 25%, and then this way. Then we'll set 0, 0. And it's going to be 50 off of the height. Height's 200, so 150. Let's do that first. Then the width will be 260 minus 210 maybe. Right, that gets us those. Then if we do a linear gradient, also at 90 degrees, transparent, 100 pixels maybe, 70, 170, yeah. This color. Do 0 slash 50 pixels maybe, 60, 70, 160 looks like it'll be right. Okay. Now, if we actually change this to this color, because then it will do a cover up. If we do border, pixels solid color, we'll take 20 pixels off of here and 20 pixels off of here. That's good. We change this background. Linear gradient. This color. Pixels. Five. Don't forget the hard stop. Maybe 175. Likewise, don't forget that. I guess this goes 200. Yeah. And if we do 0, 1%, and then pixels. Then wonder what the heck happened there. Possibly off by 20 pixels. So let's try 80, 5, 5. That should give us 100%. It's not very efficient though. But let's minify and unit replace that one. Yeah, 271 is long. Okay, so how about we do this as maybe 4 elements? Not with base template this time around. Set this background to color. Create the first element. Set its width to 100. Height 200. We're going to mess with these in a bit. Do border 50 pixels solid. So we already want to take 100 off of there. We want to take 50 off of there. Do border right 0. We'll just shift this into place. Let's try 50, but I think it's going to be less than that. And 70. Right. Let's take 8 off of this, make it 62. That would be in the right place. Now we're going to set color. See this. I'm going to add a second P. Wrap all of these in a div. Just because of something else that I'm thinking of trying. So our second P fail 0.5. The background of red temporarily. Let's also give it minus. Where is our second P? Two hundred, 250. Let's set the color to green. Plus, right, okay, cool. Down 0.5. Might be the right width. Let's just check. 20 and 70. Yeah. Then take 90 degrees. No, 180. I'll do this. Let's make that a -1 because that will flip it the right way. Then we could just translate this -50 pixels. And if we take out the color, that should give us all of that. Then we just use div and webkit-box-reflect right pixels. We can then wonder why that isn't working. Okay. Apparently we can't do that. Ah, yeah, okay. So I should have done margin 52 on the div. And we can do 0, 100. Yeah, margin 0, 0 minus 200. Then 0 and this one's 70, so 178 maybe. That would want to be on this side. How close is that? That's good. Let's put the outline back on this. Okay, we want to come further in from the right. How about 188? About 208, 218, 222. About just 220. No, 222 looks right. We'll get rid of that. Then we'll do the webkit-box-reflect. Right. 50 pixels. That's more than 50 pixels. How about 70? How about 60? 60 is good. Then we minify, unit replace. Good. Strip out some bits. That space. We hit submit. That is 100% and only 210 characters, so it's slightly better. There's probably a better way of doing this, but I quite like this solution, so that's where I'm going to leave it today. As always, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing this, so my brain's not fully engaged, and I will probably have a look at it later. Can we get rid of the closing div? Yes, we can. That will save us some characters. What's in the video and my final submission of the day may differ a bit, mostly because I might revisit it later and just have a new idea or something like that. But the video is always my first view of the puzzle and my first attempts at solving it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.